In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious cucumber tomato by appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cucumbers cut into half-inch slices, cherry tomatoes cut in half, 1 cup of cream cheese, parsley leaves, half a green onion diced, and 1 tablespoon of ranch. In a bowl, we're going to add the cream cheese, ranch, and the green onions and mix until completely combined. We're going to transfer this mixture into a Ziploc bag. Cut the corner off of the Ziploc bag. Pipe this mixture onto each of the cucumber slices. Add a parsley leaf and a tomato half on top of the cucumber. Our cucumber tomato bite appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.